Next question. Everything that happens is Hashgacha Pratis, divine providence. Doesn't it also mean all the bad things that happen are too? If Hashem saving people from the Holocaust was personal, then wasn't each person who wasn't saved personal as well? I've heard a lot of people say they still believe because it was obvious Hashem saved them. But doesn't that mean that Hashem also killed everyone who didn't survive?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Every person who suffered a headache, every person who suffered hunger, every person who suffered sores from sleeping on boards, everything had a purpose and a reason and was essential to the vast eternal plan. Nobody died because a Meshugana wanted to kill him. I think that's even more important than thanking the Eibishter for those who survived. Because if people can die for nothing, then survival is not so exciting. If life can end for no reason, then what's life? What are you getting excited about? So if you really want to know how you feel about life, you got to take a look at how you feel about people who died. If it's acceptable to you that 6 million people died because of a Meshugana, you don't have very much respect for life, so what are you celebrating? Of course, everyone who passed away had his reason. There was individual attention to that person, and that's what needed to happen. And that's why those who didn't need for that to happen survived, because they have a different function and a different purpose. But you can't have a partial Eibishter. The Eibishter is the one who saves people. And those who die because of Hitler. What is that, 2 gods? It's really most reassuring and most positive to understand that the people didn't die for nothing. That's even more important than finding out the purpose for those who survived and didn't die. Because it's so disrespectful to life, particularly people you knew, your grandfather, your grandmother, your great-grandmother,